If the grievance committee dismisses your complaint, it does not mean they don't believe you. Rather, it means that they do not feel that your allegations would support a violation of the Code of Ethics. If the grievance committee determines that the allegations made are suitable for the respondent to receive a citation, then you will be notified when the complaint is resolved, or you will be notified that the respondent elected to proceed to a hearing. If the grievance committee forwards your complaint about hearing, that does not mean they have decided the Code of Ethics has been violated. Rather, it means they feel that if what you allege in your complaint is found to have occurred by the hearing panel, that panel may have reason to find that a violation of the Code of Ethics occurred. If your complaint is dismissed as not requiring a hearing, you can appeal that dismissal to an appeal panel of the Arizona Association of Realtors at R. The response. If the grievance committee, GVC, refers the complaint to the Professional Standards Committee for a hearing, the complaint will be sent to the respondent together with a response form that will, again, advise the respondent of the complaint. AAR generally forwards a copy to the respondent before the complaint is reviewed by the GVC. Ask the respondent to affirm that the respondent has not been found in violation of the Code of Ethics within the past 3 years, and give the respondent an opportunity to waive the hearing by acknowledging the conduct alleged in the complaint and by agreeing to accept discipline. If the respondent does not waive the right to a hearing, the respondent must respond within 20 days from receipt of the complaint. Code of Ethics and Arbitration Manual, Part 4, Section 21A. AAR's Notice to Respondent and Reply Form asks the respondent to admit or deny each of the allegations in the complaint. The reply form is similar to the complaint form in that it prompts the respondent to provide a narrative of events in the order in which they happened, including all important dates, references to any relevant support documents, and identify any witnesses. The realtor or principals of the parties also receive copies of the complaint and the response, whether named as a party or not. Preparing for the hearing. If your complaint is forwarded for a hearing, your attendance at the hearing is required to present your allegations of unethical behavior. Familiarize yourself with the hearing procedures that will be followed. In particular, you will want to know about challenging potential panel members, your right to counsel, calling witnesses, and the burdens and standards of proof that apply. Complainants have the ultimate responsibility, burden, of proving that the Code of Ethics has been violated. The standard of proof that must be met is clear, strong, and convincing, defined as that measure or degree of proof which will produce a firm belief or conviction as to the allegations sought to be established. Consistent with American jurisprudence, respondents are considered innocent unless proven to have violated the Code of Ethics. Be sure that your witnesses and counsel will be available on the day of the hearing, and that their presence is noticed to AAR and to all parties 15 days prior to the scheduled hearing. Continuances are a privilege, not a right. Be sure you have all the documents and other evidence you need to present your case. Organize your presentation in advance. Know what you are going to say and be prepared to demonstrate what happened and how you believe the Code of Ethics was violated. Be sure that your witnesses and counsel will be available on the day of the hearing, and that their presence is noticed to AAR and to all parties 15 days prior to the scheduled hearing.